How does ransomware affect manufacturing companies? One of the primary things that we see is when you get a ransomware attack in a manufacturing environment that often runs 2, 3 shifts, what you see is downtime. Lots and lots of downtime. Everyone is susceptible to ransomware, especially if you don't have the appropriate protections. But more importantly, if you get hit, what now? That's where you need business continuity and disaster recovery services. Not just backups. Backups used to be where you had a tape or you take an external hard drive home or something like that. That doesn't cut it anymore. That means if you've only got that, you are now going to be out hours, if not days or weeks worth of productivity for your environment. What does that cost? Is it going to cost you $5,000 an hour? $20,000 a day? $100,000? $1 million a day? You really need to think about what would it cost if your environment is shut down for a period of time. And that's when you start to evaluate, is a business continuity solution right for me? At PCS International, we can help you do that. Please give us a call at 847-348-3900 or go to our website, www.pcsintl.com, and go into the Learning Center. We have a lot of videos and blogs on this very topic. My name is Ron Searle, and I look forward to talking to you.